Very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, for subject General Knowledge for Standard 5, you are going to write your exam paper. Okay? So, we are going to understand the question paper. So, this is a question paper which you have received and you are supposed to write the paper in an answer sheet. You will write your name, class, division, date, subject on every page. हर एक पेज में आपको ये लिखना है name and subject, and you will copy the question, then write the answer. Question and then write the answer. And send me the photo or PDF before 8 p.m. Okay? So your first question is choose and write the correct answer. So you will copy question 1, आप ये लिखोगे. Then you will copy this question and then you will only write the correct answer. So please children, copy question and the answers with correct spelling. Okay? And that is what you are given marks for. Okay? So be careful. The tallest granite monolith in the world, it is 3000 feet tall. El Capitan or Mauna Loa. The author of Harry Potter series is Frank O.G. or J.K. Rowling. There isn't any river in this country. People get fresh water from underground reservoirs. Saudi Arabia or Guam. Number 4. Here, the world's biggest gathering of humans takes place. Kumbh Mela Festival or Auroville. Next, it is the official residence of the President of France. It is located in Paris. Is it Elysee Palace or White House? So you will write 5 number, you will copy the sentence and you will write the correct answer. You have to follow these instructions, otherwise Miss will have to cut your marks. So you have to be careful. 6. She started mobile crutches to provide safe, healthy and educated childhood to children of construction workers. Who is this? Beena Rao or Meera Mahadevan. Okay. Last one. This is the first country to ban corporal punishment. Sweden or Singapore. Okay. So when you write, do take care of the capital letters and spelling, because you have to submit it very neatly. It's your exam. Okay. Next, question 2. Match the following. तो आपको क्या लिखना है? Question 2. Then you will copy this first full and you will select the correct answer and you will write it against it. Okay, this is how you will write. Copy the sentence in the first column and then write the correct answer. First, it is the longest driverless metro network in the world, 74.69 kilometers. So you will select from here. Second, this helps you to get important nutrients and fibers which is necessary for the body. Number 3, it is the highest river in the world, situated at the height of 6,100 meters above sea level. Next, world's fastest wooden roller coaster with a speed of 116 km/h. Number 5, this gesture is used to hope for good luck and fortune. Number 6, the deepest valley in the world is. Number 7, Steve Jobs is known for. And the options are eating fruits and vegetables, Dubai Metro, fingers crossed, Yalong, Tespong, Grand Canyon, Ating Ho in China, innovative devices, Goliath. Okay, so you will select from this option. Next one, question 3. Fill in the blanks with words from the help box. So, in the help box, you have the words. When you write it in the answer sheet, you will copy the question number and then you will copy the fill in the blanks and you will be putting in the answers. Okay. Dash is the largest active volcano in the world, situated in Hawaii, USA. Dash is the country that follows a calendar that is 7 to 8 years behind the rest of the world. Calendar which is behind the rest of the world. Number 3, Dash was an island that disappeared when the sea level rose due to global warming and is in dispute between India and Bangladesh. Next, the residence of the Pope is located in. Next, Dash started Prayas, a free coaching school for slum children in Surat. Number 6, Dash is the first country to ban plastic bags. Dash is also known as underground palace. Now next, now here you have to name the pictures and hint is given. आपको clue दिया गया है. It has the ability to recognize itself in a mirror. D dash dash P dash dash N. So which is this creature? You will look and complete correct spelling, and that is what the marks are given for, correct spelling. The official residence of President of USA. So how are you going to attempt? You will copy this question. You will copy this with answer in it. Okay? Only then you will get the complete marks. You will follow instructions, children, and do the paper perfectly. The official residence of President of USA, W dash dash T dash H dash U dash dash. And next question, look at the picture. It is the most diverse country in the world in terms of culture, climate, language and religion, and you have the picture here. So every question below there is picture, question below there is picture. So which is this country? I dash dash I dash. So you have to complete with the correct spelling. You will be copying the number, copying the question and then writing the answer. For doing this complete, following the complete instructions, follow करने का complete marks मिलेगा आपको. He is the co-founder of Second Cup, one of the largest chains of coffee shops in Canada. F-N-O-D-A. So this is your paper. I hope, and you also have this question number 5 where you have to write the answer. Yahan you have to only write the question number and 1 answer. 2 answer. You will not copy question here. Okay. Name the largest ocean in the world. So just write the largest ocean in the world and write the name, or just simply write the name also, it is fine. Spelling has to be correct. Name the country which has banned baby walkers, as the study shows that it causes delay in motor development among babies. So which countries have banned walkers? Name the first and the oldest metro system in the world. First and sabse purana. Okay, started in 1863. So you will only write the name with correct spelling. Name the world's highest glacier, situated at the height of 8,000 meters above the sea level. And last question, question number 5. Who introduced the practice of widow remarriage among Hindus? You will write the name of that person with correct spelling. Okay. So all the best and do very well in your exam. God bless you.